ನಮನ ಚಿರಚೇತನ ಚಿರನೂತನಾನಂದ ನಿನಗೆ ನಮನ ಕರಜೋಡಿಸಿ ಮನದ ಪರಿಧಿ ಬಿರಿದು ಹರಿದ ನಮನವು ನಮನ ನಮನ ಚಿರಚೇತನ ಚಿರನೂತನಾನಂದ ನಿನಗೆ ನಮನ ಚಿರನೂತನಾನಂದ ನಿನಗೆ ನಮನ ಚಿರನೂತನಾನಂದ ನಿನಗೆ ನಮನ.
It's a silent promise which says, I was, I am, and I will be there with you forever. Your goodwill, appreciation, motivation, support, and positive vibration has a great impact in molding intellectual for our integral dimension of the growth of this great institution. We extend affable welcome to you, dear sir. Welcome, sir.
Of his wisdom, but rather leads you to the threshold of your mind. We take this opportunity to honor and welcome dear teachers who shapes and make our students to be a good citizen of this society. But to one person, you may be the world. With immense pleasure, we welcome all my dear parents. Yashvik, third place in drawing, second place in fancy dress. Imran, first place in fancy dress. LKG A section handwriting, first place in Suina. Third place Ayush and Dishank. First place go to Suhan. Fourth place Aisha Laima. Fancy dress, first place goes to Anvik Chami. Section, Fancy, first place in action song, first place in fancy dress, third place in Rani, second place in action song, third place in fancy dress. First place in handwriting, second place in fancy fancy dress. Deepashree, third place in handwriting, third place in drawing. Handwriting, second place goes to Tanishka. Third place Varsha. Third place goes to Neha Fatima. UKG section. First place go to Jishan. Action song. Second place fancy dress Fausto. And third place Fausto for action song. First place Zian, handwriting. Second place, handwriting Varshini. Second place in drawing Nusaiba. Third place, Havish for fancy dress. Third place for fancy dress, Tanisha. B section, first place goes to Jishnu. Handwriting, first place, Kisan Shetty. Third place, Yashmita. Drawing, third place, Abba Fatima. Fancy dress, first place, Yashraj. Third place, Prithvin. Gautam Kulal, third in Abhinay Gite, third in fancy dress. Aradhya, third in fancy dress. Atulya Balakrishna Pujari, first in drawing. Ritisha Gatti, second in drawing. Supreet S, third in drawing. Preksha H, first in handwriting. Hamish R. Amin, second in handwriting. Kushi P. Ain, third in handwriting. Anvita, first in handwriting and second in drawing. Hansika H. Uchin, second in handwriting. Bhuvi, third in handwriting. Nidhi R. Shetty, first in drawing. Shabari, third in drawing. Give away the prizes. I request Srimati Vidyani ma'am to read out the names of winners. Second standard A, Prachi Shetty, in action song first, drawing first, fancy dress first. Prash ma'am, in drawing second, in handwriting third. Diyansh K. Uchit, in action song second. Charan Ram, drawing third. Priyam DRN, handwriting second. Apprameya Maya, fancy dress second. Amaresh, in fancy dress third. Second standard B, Chaitanya D. Shetty, in action song third, fancy dress third. Jana, drawing in first. Ravina J in drawing second. Samruddhi in drawing third. Lahari K in handwriting first. Kirtan in handwriting second, absent. Vaishnavi Devi in handwriting third. Thank you, ma'am.
Third standard A and B section. Tanvi, first place in action song, second place in singing, and third place in fancy dress. Purvi, first place in singing, first place in fancy dress, and second place in action song. Kartik P. Acharya, first place in drawing, first place in clay model, third place in singing. Sorry. Kritik P. Acharya, first place in drawing, first place in clay model, and third place in singing. Drawing, third standard A, second place in Dheeraj A. Ramesh B, third place in drawing. Supeksha, first place in drawing. Mustafa, second place in drawing. Rama Sufyan, third place in drawing. Clay model, second place goes to Srijan Ji. Third place goes to Dakshan L. Salyan. Fancy Days, second place goes to Nishan. Third place goes to Tanush. Abhijna Shetty, third place in action song. Rajesh Chennai, first place in singing, first place in drawing, first place in fancy dress, first place in action song. Srijan, Srijan, second place in drawing, third place in action song. Anush YM, first place in clay model, third place in drawing. Disha, R. Amin, third place in drawing. Vishal, medal. Abhishek, second place in fancy dress. Harshini, first place in action song. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. From 5th standard, draw. 5th standard drawing, J. Ahmad Shari, second. Pritesh, third place. Adarsh, first place. Ranjit K. Naveen, first place. Nitin, second place. Hemant, third place. From 6th B, Pratik is first place. Krish R, second place. Dhyan H, third place. From 7th A, Pratvik, first place. Shruti, second place. Gaurav and Srijan, third place. From 7th B, Vaishnavi, first place. Bhumika, second place. Karthikesh, third place. Abhinay Geeta from 5th to 7th. Saloni, first place. Apeksha, second place. Harshit, third place. In Katahe Ledu, 5th A and B, Sinchana, first place. Abdul Ashil, second place. Tushar, third place. From 6th and 7th, Apeksha, first place. Trisha, second place. 5th A and B, Lal Krishna first place. Manmita second place. Sinchana third place. From 6th A and B, Prajna first place. Samvita second place. Nishant third place. From 7th A and B, Spandana first place. Purvika was second place. Chaitra third place. Sri Praveen Basti, Primary PTA President, give away the place. Abhishek and Dhanushri third place. From 6th A and B, Bhumika first place. Samiksha and Sita Lakshmi second place. Nitin third place. From 7th A and B, Kriti first place. Bhumika second place. Vaishnavi third place. In science model from 5th A and B, Lal Krishna and Ashish first place. Sanjan and Pranam SB second place. Manmita and Prajna second place. Adarsh and Sona third place. From 6 A and B, Nihal and Pratik Shetty first place. Avyas and Tanvit, Hemant and Babosh second place. Pratik and Dhyan, Krish and Pavan Bharati, third place. From 7th A and B, Vaishnavi and Yoshira, first place. Dhruti and Trisha, second place. Pratvik and Bhavish, Mokshit and Rishi, third place. In fancy dress from 5th A and B, Akshay and Arshit, first place. Taslima Bhavi, second place. Yashav MS, third place. From 6th and 7th, Swasti, first place. Purvi and Megha, second place. Srijan CJ, third place. Food Without Fire from 5th A, Tushar and Arshit, first place. Yashav and Lal Krishna, Manmita and Sanika, second place. Preksha and Pratiksha, Yashashwini and Ranjani, third place. From 5th B, Aisha Raina and Muskan, first place. Nisha, Katiza and Chinmay, second place. Sandan and Jeshta, Akshay and Akash, third place. Thank you, sir. Nihal and Pratika, second place. Srivas and Rabi, Samiksha and Samvida, third place. From 6th B, Apeksha and Tamiza Banu, Sinchana and Swasti Rai, first place. Nisha and Vaishnavi, Pratik and Balish, second place. Satvik and Krish, Saloni and Purvi, third place. From 7th A, Atish and Pranit, first place. Bhavish and Vishal, Afnan and Abhishek B, second place. Bharat and Prajwal, Trisha and Aksa, third place. From 7th D, Rashida and Shimana, first place. Shriti Jess, Abhishek Karan, Hardik and Gagandeep, second place. In play model, 5th to 7th, Jesta first place. Tanmay second place. Pratik third place. Ranjani and Anvesha second place. Tanmay and Ashwin third place. From 5th B, Moksha and Prajna first place. Sharif and Samjan second place. Hardik and Kirtan third place. From 6th A, Shawan and Nihal first place.
and Navi, second place. Nitin and Mokshit, third place. From 6th B, Swasti and Apeksha, fourth place. Tamiza and Sinchana, second place. Avyas and Tanvi, third place. From 7th A, Prajna and Srishti, first place. Diksha and Dhruti, second place. Pratvik and Srijan, third place. From 7th D, Vishan and Swasti, Bhumika and Sahana, third place. Mayuri, second place in Rangoli and third place in drawing. Now from 8th B, Trisha got first place in drawing and Rangoli, second in English essay and third place in English allocation. Tanvi, first place in English essay and third place in folk song. Nidhishri, third in folk song. Manvitvi, third in drawing. Amar Shetty, third in drawing. Mauleshri, third place in English essay. Vaishali, third place in Rangoli. Thank you, sir.
Now, what I first saw when I entered this beautiful stage, I saw the parents and the students with a very happy face, as if today is one of the wonderful days in their career, in their school days. Now, what made them so happy, lovely and friendly? It is the thought of collecting awards for their various activities, be in the activities in painting, in writing, in composition and in drawing and clay modeling. And when I looked at it appears as if 100 out of 100 students here in Bhagavati school appear very talented in various spheres of fine arts and arts. I think it is wonderful to see such talent in a school in a very conglomerated way. I feel that the most important thing here is the teacher's role in today's function. And today's function has not come just like overnight plan. It is the plan of the year, and throughout the year the teachers in various sections have taken too much of, they put too much of thoughts, too much of their time and efforts to bring up such a beautiful function, which I am sure every student here, every parent here and every Ganya here has enjoyed. With all the best for teachers as well as these students and parents.